Introducing the Miter Station Cabinet 1.0 first attempt. First thing to notice is that this is at 33 3/4 inches tall from the floor, and that's so that when I use my table saw, it can be a outfeed table for large products. But if I need to, I can always step on these casters and can move around. But on top of that, we have a miter, compound miter sliding saw in here. And then we will power go into this. All right, so now we've got our sliding compound miter here. And it's set at a height also so that level feeder in and out forwards here. So, yeah. And it's plugged in, so it's all good. And the same process for loading it, or loading it, same way as unloading it, pretty much.
And your cord would normally be in the back, I assume.
This way I'm having the cord actually feed and hold inside of it. So once you take, in order to use it at all, you need to take the top off, take the plug and plug it in. And the cord could be in the back, whatever, but this is the way I have it designed.